In this video, I'll show you how to fix game chat on the PS5 Pro. Now let's say for instance, you can't hear your friends whenever they communicate during a party or in-game. There are a couple of things you can adjust so that you can make sure to fix this particular issue. Now the first things first, press the PS5 button on your controller and then navigate to the sound section or sound option and select it. And then from here, ensure that mute game chat is disabled. So ensure that it's disabled. And also if you're using the controller to speak, ensure that the controller speaker is set to maximum so that you can hear your friends. And then another thing you can do is go to the mic section under this control center and select mic and ensure that the mic is not muted. So ensure that it's not muted. And also you should increase the mic level in case you feel like the microphone is not audible to your friends. So select this option. Sorry, let me just go back there. Select adjust mic volume or level, and then from here select this option and then now increase it or reduce it to the point that you feel like it's enough for you. So that's basically it.